and timelines, left them folded on the passenger seat. Today, the only thing filling my eyes is the endless stretch of blue. No glowing numbers, no urgent deadlines. I just wanna listen to the sea tell its timeless stories to me. Turn off the cool air, roll the windows all the way down. Let the warm wind wrap around my skin. Some things don't need to be figured out right now. This highway feels like it's leading into a dream. Every worry and distraction fades quietly in the rearview mirror. Cruising slow on this endless shoreline, drifting where the sky meets the sea. The whole world feels weightless now, like a kite that's finally broken free. No need to measure how far we still have to go. I just wanna lose track of time in this bright and beautiful moment. The sandy path still holds the afternoon sun's warmth, long shadows dancing across the grass. Chasing success can feel like a sweet kind of promise, but today I just wanna be a simple soul with nowhere I have to be. No longer carrying the weight of tomorrow's list. When the stars begin to appear, that's when my real life feels clear. Cruising slow on this endless shoreline, drifting where the sky meets the sea. The whole world feels weightless now, like a kite that's finally broken free. No need to measure how far we still have to go. I just wanna lose track of